I can't even breathe, bro. I'm tearing up.
Fucking dying over here.
Then you just hold the button and go for it. Oh my god, dude. No, not puking. Not today. Holy shit, dude. Nope. I can't even breathe, bro. I'm already sick. What am I doing to myself?
Fucking dying over here. Oh. Almost puked. Ah.
Lungs, man. Burn the shit out of my lungs. Probably still gonna puke, but.
You'll be fine.
I'm high as shit.
Holy fuck, dude. Wow. That's potent, dude. It's a potent boy. Yeah, man. I get to burn it. You can't even take in a deep breath afterwards. I'm tearing up. How can you do that?
Best thing to do, tell you what, get so when you start buying everyone a gift,